Hi guys, I'm Jackie. Welcome to Gone Potty Gardening. As you can see by the title of the video, this is a 40 questions video. I haven't seen it going around on YouTube, so I thought I haven't done it, so let's do it. So let's get on with it. The first question, do you like blue cheese? I've tried it. It's okay, but I wouldn't say I liked it very much. Number 2, Coke or Pepsi? Coke, I think. Number 3, are you in a relationship? Yeah, I'm in a relationship with Helen. We've been married 11 years now. Question number 4, whiskey, tequila or vodka? I'd say vodka and Coke. Number 5, hot dogs or cheeseburgers? Probably cheeseburger. Number 6, what is your favourite food? I'd probably say Indian food. What is your first drink? This is number 7. What is your first drink in the morning? I do like a nice cup of tea. I'm not a coffee drinker at all, so cup of tea. Can you do 100 push-ups? No. Favourite season? I like spring. I love the spring. Yeah, so that's number 9. Number 10, favourite hobby? I would say my favourite hobby was fishing. Fishing first, gardening. I've got quite a few hobbies actually. Metal detecting, stained glass. I like to try most things really, but my favourite I would say was fishing. Do you have any tattoos? Yeah, I've got 2 tattoos. One there, that's kind of like a little bracelet thing, and the other is one there with Mum, and I had that done when my dear Mum passed away too young at 62. I had that after she passed away, and that has Mum on it. Do you wear glasses? Unfortunately, yeah. Do you have any phobias? This is number 13. Not phobias as such, but I don't like lizards or tortoises or anything like that. Some people think they're really cute, and I suppose they are, but I just don't know what it is about them. I just don't like them. Do I have a nickname? Not really, no, I don't have a nickname. I probably have, but they don't say anything. Number 15, what's your favourite sweets? I don't know if you remember these. I like the Army and Navy sweets. They're like long and black. I don't know if anyone can remember. I like them. Number 16, do I believe in ghosts? Yeah, I do believe in ghosts. Years ago we used to go to a circle, you know, where they would say contact people from what they call the other side. And yeah, that was years ago, and I was invited to that circle, and actually saw I saw somebody come out of nowhere. You know, just transform. This person came in the room, and that, you know, that convinced me. But that was quite a few years. Oh, I know what it's called. It's called a full materialisation. I worked nights then. I worked in the garage when the kids were little, and yeah, so during the day I used to think about it. It used to give me the creeps, like I would imagine that the stairs were creaking and things were coming on, you know, but yeah, no, that was then. Number 17, my biggest downfall. My biggest downfall, probably not finishing one job and going on to another. That's probably one of them. And being too kind, saying yes to everyone. That's probably it. That's two though, isn't it? Rain or snow? I think I prefer snow. Number 19. Do you have any piercings? Yeah, got my ears pierced, that's all. Number 20. How old are you? 53. Number 21. French fries or onion rings? Onion rings. Number 22. Do you have any children? Yep. I've got a boy and a girl. Adam is 31. He lives in Dorchester in the UK, and I've got a daughter of 27, and she lives in Bognor Regis in the UK. And I also have a stepson, Helen's son, Louis, and he's 22. Number 23. What is your favourite colour? Navy. Navy blue. Can you sing? This is number 24. No. I wish I could, but no, I can't sing. Number 25. Can you whistle? Yeah. Number 26. Where were you born? I was born in Germany, because my father was in the armed forces, so we lived over there a couple of times actually. So yeah, I was born in Germany. Number 27. Do I have any siblings? Yeah, I've got a younger brother. He will be 50, so 3 years younger than me. Number 28. Can you cook? Yeah, I can cook. Number 29. Can you swim? Yeah, I can swim. Number 30. Are you religious? No, I'm not religious. Number 31. Bath or shower? Shower. We have got a walk-in shower room, so you can't have a bath anyway, but I prefer a shower. Number 32. Big city, nature or countryside? Well, I've lived in a big city in London. I've lived in the countryside. I've lived in Somerset in England. And now, of course, we live in Ireland, and that's the countryside. So overall, I'd say, yeah, I love the countryside. But there are things that I miss about being in the countryside. Two things really: the markets, and I like a good car boot sale. Right. Number 33. Are you a good friend? I think I'm a good friend, yeah. I don't have many friends, but if I like someone and I get on, then I will be, you know, I'm always a good friend, yeah. Number 34. Have you broken any bones? No, I've never broken any bones. Number 35. How many TVs are in your house? Well, just 2. Actually, no, 3. Number 36. The worst pain I've ever felt. Probably when I had a foot operation, when the stitches were ready for coming out. It hadn't healed properly. It was all swollen, and it was the stitches were like embedded, and I had to have them taken out. And that was, I would say, that's probably the most painful thing I've had done. You know, mind you, toothache's pretty near it, isn't it? Do you dance? No. As my mum used to say, I've got about as much rhythm as a dead rocking horse. Do you like camping? I used to when I was younger, but I think I find it a bit harder now. we used to have a camper van, and we used to go around in that, and that was great fun. Number 39, are you weird? I don't think I'm weird, no. It says number 40, nominate 6 other YouTubers. Well, I actually saw this on Erica's Little Welsh Garden, and Chris at CCS, I saw it on her little video, and I thought I hadn't done it, so I've done it. So if there's anybody on the channel that hasn't done it and wants to, yeah, give it a go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please give it a thumbs up and share if you don't mind. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.
Why not come and join me on Facebook or Instagram? The link is in the description.